On our way to Asinga-Via, we've come across this very doubtful bridge that goes across the river. And the way to the car, well, we're loaded up. There's 5 of us in there. And the bridge, well, at first I thought it was bamboo. You can see some dugout canoes here, handmade, everything. And this is a toll bridge of all things. The old one is retired. Careful, Betty, you're gonna... Okay, toll bridge here. This is interesting. We're trying to lighten the load of the car, and I don't know how much it costs. What does it cost to go across, Charlie?
80.
80. I have my wallet here, but here we are taking pictures. They're looking at us. They don't know what to make of this. I don't know what to make of this bridge, but the whole thing has me a little concerned. Look how flimsy the structure here. They say they take jeepneys across with loads of bricks and things. All it takes is one of those to sink in, and then we're stuck. Car could fall off the side. It's very narrow. Typical of things here in the Philippines. Luckily right now it has not been raining for several days, and the water level is very low. The previous bridge is above us there, and they always wash out anytime they get a good rain. The people rebuild it, and that's why they charge the fee. But what a surprise here. Okay, looks like my battery's getting low. It's flashing at me. We ready to go across, Betty?
No.
No, okay, let me turn this off and restart it shortly.